Dancehall I go back to what it was before. Just like back in the days, you used to have Vybz Kartel and Mavado. You used to have Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. You used to have, when they used to have like a feud. But hope the feud where Valiant and Armani have are the feud where he might try to create. I hope it is just lyrical and, spill over in a physical realm where people are going to get hurt and them things. Because right now, we don't need that.
No.
But we need the excitement in a dancer.
Yeah, that's
you see me I say?
And that is what missing still since Vybz Kartel and Mavado, as you say, Beanie Man and Bounty Killer. That type of energy missing out of dancer. Nowadays,
That
generation is different,
Different.
So then we have it lyrical,
Different.
but also it is physical, and everything a weapon nowadays.
And that we are trying to run from. I never tell no lie. I never like the fact say him say Valiant figure suck his mother.
Yeah, but at the same time, remember, Popcorn did this scatter, big and bold.
First suck your mother for a year.
First suck your mother.
So it look like he suck your mother then just a dash out this year.
Right. So if those bigger people in the music do it and then these brother come and do it, you see, no example no set and the man just run with the same.
That's true.